Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes again, and today we are doing Fundations Unit 8, Day 1. This is only a 1-week unit, so we will be having a test on Day 5. So we have lots and lots to do this week. Okay, let's start with a review of our glute sounds. It's been a while since we've done these. Echo me. OST, post, ost. IND, find, eind. ANK, bank, ank. AM, ham, am. ALL, ball, all. UNK, junk, unk. OLT, colt, olt. ANG, fang, ang. UNG, lung, ung. Oops. OLD, cold, old. AN, fan, an. ING, ring, ing. ONK, honk, onk. ONG, song, on. INK, pink, ink. ILD, wild, isled. IVE, give, if. Good job. Now let's go through our R-controlled sounds. Echo me. AR, car, R. OR, horn, orn. ER, her, UR, burn, IR, bird, Nice job. Now, boys and girls, this week we're going to be focusing on R-controlled sounds, especially AR, car, R, and OR, horn, or. These two sounds is what we're going to be focusing in on this today. So let's begin with AR, car, R. And when you write the word AR, car, R, we have K, and then you add AR, and to show that this is an R-controlled syllable, you circle the AR, and you put an R down below. So we have a new type of syllable. AR, car, R, and you circle the AR and put R controlled underneath. Now, an example of another word that would be R controlled with AR would be the word barn. Echo me. Barn. Elbows up. Barn. 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 So we would start with B, R, N, barn. Now to mark it, you're going to circle the AR, scoop it because it's a one-syllable word, and the type of syllable is an R-controlled syllable. So you put the R underneath. All right, new slide. Now, the other sound that we're going to be working on is the word OR, OR, horn, or. So, horn, let's tap it out. Orn, horn, starts with an H. Or, OR, N, horn. It's a one-syllable word. You have to circle the OR, and it is R-controlled. Okay, another R-controlled word, and we're on the same slide, is a two-syllable word. Echo me. Army. Now, when you have a two-syllable word that has the R-controlled sound, you would divide it between the A, or between the R and and the next syllable. R, put your dot there, me. So when you scoop it, it would be R, me, like that. So we know that AR is R controlled. You put the R underneath. And the word me, the syllable me, what sound do you hear in the Y? That's right, you hear E. Long E, so you mark it like that. And since it has a long vowel sound at the end of the word, it is open. So you have R controlled and open syllable word. All right, new slide. Okay, the next word we're going to practice is the word party. Echo me, party. I went to a party. First syllable, par. Second syllable, T. Party. Okay, par, p, r. And since we know we have to divide it after the R controlled sound, we put our dot right there. Par, T. T-Y. Party. So let's scoop it. Party. Now, in the first syllable, we have an R controlled vowel. So you circle it. And it is R for R controlled. The second syllable, T. What sound does the Y make? That's right. Long E. And since it's not closed in and you hear the long vowel, it is open. Open syllable. So the word party is an R controlled vowel and an O or R controlled syllable and an open syllable. All right, now when you have a word that has, it's a compound word, new slide. When you have a compound word that has a R controlled vowel in it, you divide it just like you would any compound word with two words. For example, echo me, shortstop. The shortstop plays between second and third base. Shortstop. First syllable, short. Second syllable, stop. Shortstop. I think I'm going to write this one on this side. Short, sh, sh, or, S-O-R, short, and that's our first word. So we put our dot right there. Short, stop. St, short, stop. So you would scoop between short and stop. Now, how would we mark the first word? Short. Circle the O-R. And what kind of syllable? R controlled. So you would put an R underneath. And the word stop has, oh, and I forgot, we have a digraph at the beginning. Stop, you have a blend, S-T, short vowel. So you put a breve above it, and it is closed. So here we have R control and closed in the same word. Show your teacher your work. All right, good job. Okay, now we're going to go through and review some trick words and do some new trick words. All right, here we go. Echo me. Change, family, large, something, house, only, move, different, answer, whoops, I'm sorry, night, eight, every, city, and one last one. I dropped it, and it's the word world. Now, world is the first one that we're going to be looking at today, first trick word. So let's write the word world. see it? I think I'll do it on this side. Okay, see the word world. W O R L D. World. Now, what is it that makes this a trick word? Well, we hear the W, what, world. Oh, the O-R. Do you hear or do you hear You hear So you actually hear the R sound, And actually, it's the IR sound that you're hearing. World. Okay, so even though world has an R controlled sound, it doesn't make the or sound. We don't say world, we say world. It's a IR, ER, UR sound. Put all three of those on there because they all sound the same. World. Now take a different color on your iPad and let's trace the word world. World. W O R L D. World. And write 3 times the word world. Make sure you're saying the letters each time that you write it. W-O-R-L-D. World. W-O-R-L-D. World. And the third time, W-O-R-L-D. World. Okay, you can pause the video, and when you're ready, you may begin again. All right, welcome back. New slide. Our next word is the word answer. Answer. My teacher asked me a question, and I gave her the correct answer. So let's write the word answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. How many syllables? First syllable, second syllable. Answer. Okay, 2 syllables. And this one is very tricky now. It has, at the beginning, A-N, it has A-N, fan, and. So it has a glued sound, and. You hear the S. Now, do we say answer or answer? Yeah, the W is silent. And on the end, you hear the R controlled sound, Answer. All right, let's trace it. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. And write it 3 more times. A-N-S-W-E-R. A-N-S-W-E-R. That W is really tricky. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Show your teacher your work. And new slide. Or if you're on paper, just write the next word. Okay, here's our last word. Our last word for today, if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Different. Different. This is a different kind of word. Okay, echo me. Different. First syllable, diff. Second syllable, rent. Different. Okay. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Now, Now, we don't always say different, like I would like a different snack. We just say different. And we kind of glide right on past that ER. So let's mark it. Diff, we hear the D, we hear the short I, the I. Now the double F, buy one, get one free. We just hear one F, different. Okay, we don't really hear the E, do we? That's not the way we say it. Different. The E is silent. So I'm going to cross out that E. And we hear the R. Differ, E. And then we hear the blend, NT. Different. All right, let's trace it. And when you write the word, make sure you leave that E in there. D, I, F, F, E, R, E, N, T. Different. All right, now boys and girls, write this word 3 more times and show your work to your teacher. When you finish that, you're done for the day. I'll see you next time.